Hello everyone! Today we're going to be cooking up our take on a classic Mapo Tofu recipe that's so good, it will rival those restaurant-style ones. Mapo Tofu is our absolute favorite dish, and we can't wait to share our easy recipe with you. This spicy, numbing, and flavorful dish is perfect for any occasion. So if you're looking for a delicious and simple Sichuan recipe, then you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Let's begin by preparing the tofu. Cut 400 grams of soft or silken tofu into half-inch cubes. Next, blanch the tofu in a wok of boiling water for 1 minute to firm it up. This is just to prevent it from becoming too mushy when added to the spicy sauce later. Now remove the tofu, set it aside, and drain the water from the wok. Now let's start cooking. Peel and grate 1 tablespoon of ginger and throw it in a hot wok. Cut 3 green onions into small pieces, separating the green tops from the white bottoms. Add the white part of the onion to the wok. Next, finely chop 3 cloves of garlic. Add it to the wok and stir for a minute. Add 3 teaspoons of fermented soybean sauce, which provides a rich umami and savory flavor. Give it a stir for a couple of minutes. We'll add 200 grams of ground pork for the protein. If you prefer beef, ground beef is a great alternative. Next, we'll add 2 teaspoons of chili bean sauce for some heat and extra umami flavor. Give it a stir until the pork is cooked through. Let's make the sauce by pouring 1 cup of chicken broth or water. To thicken the sauce, combine 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and 4 teaspoons of water. Stir, then pour. Mix for 2 minutes or until the sauce thickens. Season with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. If you want a really spicy and numbing kick, add 1 tablespoon of Roasted Sichuan Chili Oil. Now return the blanched tofu cubes. Gently mix the tofu into the sauce with a spoon. We want to keep those tofu cubes intact. Then simmer and cook for an additional 2 minutes. Time to finish it off. Turn off the heat and sprinkle the rest of the chopped green onions. And there you have it, our homemade Mapo Tofu. Each bite is a symphony of flavors, spicy, numbing, and oh so satisfying. The tofu is soft and silky, perfectly absorbing the rich savory sauce. It is best served with rice, and just enjoy this comforting meal. We hope you enjoyed this simple recipe and give it a try. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes.